part 3. The radius of a circular plot is 7.7 meters. How much will it cost to fence the plot with 3 rounds of the wire at the rate of the 50 rupees per meter? Here a radius is given and the plot is of circular shape. See students, the circumference is nothing but the perimeter. Okay, so 3 rounds means 3 times circumference. Okay, so for that we should find out the first circumference of the circular plot. 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7.7. This is the radius. After calculating you will get 48.4 here. Now you know the circumference of the plot. The cost of the 1 round of fencing of that plot is given. That is 50 rupees per meter. And here how many meters are there? 48.4 meters. So find out the cost for 1 round of the fencing. So 48.4 into 50. This 50. And this is the circumference. 2420 rupees is the cost for the 1 round fencing. But 3 rounds are there. That's why this we have to multiply by 3. Cost of the 3 rounds of the fencing is equal to 3 into 2240 is equal to 7260 rupees is the cost of the 3 round fencing of that circular plot. The diameter of the wheel of a bus is 0.7 meter. How many rotations will a wheel complete while traveling a distance of 22 km? Now listen carefully. This is the wheel, and when bus or car is traveling, that time this wheel start rotating. So while rotating, it start from this direction to this direction. It is shown here. This is the radius. It start rotating, radius will be here, radius will be here, at the end again radius will be here. Means when the circle, like the clock, the minute hand completes 1 rotation, like that, this wheel also when complete 1 rotation means the length will be of its circumference. Means the length or the distance travelled by a wheel will be the circumference of that particular wheel. Understood it? So when you calculating this example, that time first you have to calculate the circumference of the circle, that is pi d, because diameter is given. So 2.2 is the circumference. Now when the wheel completes 1 rotation, it crosses the distance 2.2 meter. 1 rotation means 1 time circumference. So number of the rotations we have to find out, and the formula for it is distance upon circumference. Circumference is 2.2 and the distance is 22,000. So divide this, you will get 10,000. So a wheel completes 10,000 rotations to cover the distance of the 22 kilometer. This 22,000 means these kilometers are converted into meters, because here circumference we find in the meters unit, and in the example distance is given in the kilometer. But you know that when we multiply, divide, add or subtract, each quantity means all that quantity should be in 1 unit. So if circumference is in the meters, we have to write the distance also in the meters. That's why we convert this 22 kilometer in the meters, 22,000 meters. So distance upon the circumference, given distance is 22 kilometers meters and the circumference 2.2. Understood it? To remove the decimal point, multiply with the 10 here, 22 into 10, and then you can do the calculation easily. You will get the answer 10,000. So a wheel completes the 10,000 rotation to cover the distance of the 22 kilometer. Whenever such type of example is there, that time first find and then use this formula, distance upon circumference. Number of rotation is equal to distance upon circumference. Understood it?